Farmers Home Insurance USA app. The pros, the cons. The Farmers Home Insurance USA app is designed to make home insurance management simple and accessible. Most people assume it's just for checking policy information, but the surprising truth is that it lets you submit claims, pay premiums, access digital IT cards, and reach customer support directly from your phone. One of the app's key features is claims management. You can report a loss, upload supporting photos, and track your claim in real time. Digital IT cards are always available, making it easy to prove coverage for inspections, lenders, or emergency services. Premium tracking is straightforward, with reminders and a clear history of past payments. Convenience extends to updating personal information, adding or removing coverage items, and contacting support without waiting on hold. The app also provides helpful tools like home safety tips and guides to prevent issues before they escalate. However, there are a few limitations. Offline functionality is restricted, so most features require an internet connection. Uploading large files or accessing older claims can sometimes be slow. Advanced features such as detailed coverage analysis and optimization are more robust on the desktop version. In conclusion, the Farmers Home Insurance USA app is a practical and user-friendly tool for managing home coverage. Its strengths include efficient claims handling, easy access to digital IT cards, and clear premium tracking. While some advanced features are limited, the app provides all the essentials to manage your home insurance confidently from anywhere.